our nonprofit organization was the Scott Key Center in Frederick, Maryland.
The employees begin by placing a single tea packet on each grid box until the 4x2 grid is occupied by 8 tea packets. The employees then pick up each tea packet from the grid to form a neat pile of tea packets in their hands. To complete the packaging process, the employees insert the tea packets into the box. But in practice, the majority of employees cannot package the tea as efficiently. They easily become distracted by the monotony of the 4x2 grid, and attempting to center the tea packets in the grid boxes takes a vast amount of time for employees.
We realized that the 4x2 grid is extremely inefficient and redundant. So to make a product that would truly make a difference for employees at the Scott Key Center, we knew that our device would have to be simple and straightforward to use. At the same time, we wanted to make a device that would not only increase efficiency of employees, but give them more independence and confidence in their abilities. This would allow them to overcome the barriers they face on a daily basis in and out of the workplace. We began by observing which parts of the 4x3 grid process consumed the most time, and we discovered that without exception, it was placing the tea packets in the grid boxes. So to eliminate this step and ultimately shorten the packaging process, our device would have to allow employees to place the tea packets directly in the tea box from the first step.
To be successful, our device would have to easily and snugly fit inside of the tea box. This meant that the materials used would have to be very, very thin.
It took an amazing cross-collaborative effort to design a device that would be small enough to fit inside of the box, yet be large enough to hold 8 tea packets. After researching what technologies already exist in the marketplace, we have a device that is truly unique and different. It's made of a thin, high-grade paper, folded in an accordion-like shape. This shape is critical to the design. It creates 8 perfect slots, which allow the tea packets to easily slide in. And when removing the device from the box, there is little friction between the slots and the tea packets, which means no tea packets come out with the device. The frame is made of a thin plastic canvas, which is great because it keeps the paper fold from compressing or expanding. It also gives the device a nice, elegant finish. The device is first inserted into the tea box. A single tea packet is then put into each of the colored slots. Once all 8 slots are filled, the device can be pulled out of the box. Kevin is an employee at the Scott Key Center, and he has a more severe intellectual disability than others. He was able to successfully use our device without any assistance. He was completely independent. With our device, Kevin's efficiency significantly increased, and the more he goes through the process, the better he will become. Kevin was only one of many employees who was able to use our device successfully, and hopefully with time, our device will be introduced to all the employees at the Scott Key Center.
The product was that it was a visually appealing product. It looked easy to use. We have confidence that this could be a product that could be used by our employees with disabilities here. And certainly the more that they use it, and the fact that several of the employees were able to focus on slotting the tea bag into the grid that was designed for the boxes, gives me a lot of confidence that this could be a product that could work very well for our employees.
Keep nothing free. Keep my work done. Keep more money.